हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे आमे जो केमिस्ट्री स्टार्ट करथिला से पार्ट रो आमे कंटिन्यू करिबा। ए पार्ट रे आमे डिस्कशन करिबा क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाँ आ गोटे कथा, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट एंड join the telegram group. Thank you so much. And first question, the first attempt to classify element was made by Mendeleev. The horizontal row in periodic table are called periods. The vertical column in periodic table are called groups. Next, who is known as father of periodic table? Right answer is Mendeleev. The Mendeleev periodic table, the number of period is 7. Mendeleev periodic table, the number of group are 8. The Mendeleev periodic table, the number of elements are 63. Next, the property of element of Mendeleev periodic table law were period function of their atomic masses. The modern periodic table law has been given by Moseley. Modern periodic table, the number of period is 7. Modern periodic table, the number of group are 18. Next, in modern periodic table, the number of element are 118. Next, the property of element of modern periodic table law were the periodic function of their atomic masses, atomic number. The element in group 1 are called alkali metal. Next, the element in group 2 are called alkaline earth metal. Next, the element in group 15 are called picogen. Next, the element in group 16 are called chalcogen. The element in group 17 are called halogen. The element in group 18 or group 0 is called noble gas or inert gases. Next, the least reactive element of the periodic table are noble gas. Next, the modern periodic table divide how many blocks? 4 blocks: S blocks, P blocks, D blocks, F blocks. Next, which groups are contained in S blocks? 1 and 2 groups. Which groups are contained in P blocks? 13 to 18 groups. Which blocks contain metal, non-metal and metalloid? P blocks. S blocks and P blocks element are collectively called as representative elements. Which groups are contained in D blocks? 3 to 12 groups. D blocks elements are called transition elements. Next, which elements are present in D blocks but not called as transition element? Hg, Zn, Cu, Sc, etc. Which blocks elements are generally colored and used as catalyst? D blocks. Which groups are contained in F blocks? Below the rest of the periodic table. F blocks elements are called inert transition element. Next, how many elements are present in F blocks? Right answer is 14. In 4F series of F blocks elements are called as lanthanides. The lanthanides are the element with atomic number from 57 to 71. The 5F series F blocks elements are called as antinaids. The antinaids are the element with atomic number of 89 to 103. Next, the size or atomic radius of element decrease in the periodic form left to right. Next, the size of atomic radius of the element increase in period from top to bottom. Next, in periodic table, the period from left to right, The non-metallic property of element increase. In periodic table, the period from left to right metallic property of element decrease. Next, the metallic property of element in the group increase from top to bottom. Next, in periodic table, in a periodic from left to right, chemical reactivities of elements firstly decrease then increase. Next, the chemical reactivities of the metallic element increase in the group from top to bottom. Next, the chemical reactivities of a non-metallic element decrease in the group from top to bottoms. Next, the value of ionizing potential of elements in the periodic increase from left to right. Next, the value of ionizing potential of element in the groups decrease from top to bottom. Next, the value of electron negative of the element in the period increase from left to right. Next, the value of electron negative of element in group decrease from top to bottom. The value of the electron affinity of element increases in the period of from left to right. In value of electrons affinity of element decreases in the group from top to bottom. Next, metal, non-metal and metallurgy. Element are classified as metal, non-metal and metalloid. Next, the element having the tendency to lose electron and form cation is called metal. The element having tendency to accept electron and form atom is called non-metal. Next, the element exhibition both metallic and non-metallic characteristics is called metalloid. The ability of a solid to bend or be hung into other shaped without breaking is called malleability. Next, the most malleable element to be found in nature, gold. Next, ability of metal to be drawn into long wire is known as ductility. Next, most ductility element found in nature, gold. How many elements are present now? 118. Next, how many elements are natural? 94. How many elements are artificial? 24. The first artificial element is technetium. It was isolated by Carl Perry and Emilio Sergio in 1937. The element to be found most abundant on the universe, hydrogen H and helium He. Next, the element to be found most abundant on the earth surface, oxygen. The metallic element to be found most abundant on the earth surface, aluminium. Metallic element to be found second most abundant on the earth surface, iron. Next, the non-metallic element to be found most abundant on the earth's surface, oxygen. The non-metallic second most abundant in the earth's surface, silicon. The element present in the largest amount rocks and minerals is silicon. Next, the element to found most abundant on the human body, oxygen. Next, the element to be found second most abundant on the human body, carbon, C. Lightest element to found in nature, hydrogen. The lightest metallic element to be found in nature, lithium. Lightest non-metallic element to be found in nature, hydrogen. Heaviest metallic element to found in nature hela osmium. Next, the liquid metallic element to be found in nature, mercury. The liquid non-metallic element to be found in nature, bromine, Br. The element which exists in the liquid form at room temperature, mercury and bromine. Next, the element which exists in liquid form at room temperature slightly above the room temperature is gallium Ga and cesium Cs. Next, the metal used for making aircraft and rocks, aluminium. What is the element required for solar energy conservation, silicon. The metal is best conductor of electricity, silver. Next, the metal which is the second best conductor of electricity है copper. The non-metal which is the best conductor of electricity, graphite. The most reactive metallic element to be found in nature है sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium metal are kept under kerosene because these react with air and water. Next, most reactive non-metallic elements are found in nature fluorine and phosphorus. Which non-metallic catches fire and explodes in air? Phosphorus. Phosphorus non-metal is kept under water because these react with air. Burning metals react with oxygen to produce metallic oxide. Next, most poisonous metallic element to found in nature है plutonium, Pu. The group of most gaseous element है zero groups. Which element having maximum ionization potential, IP, in nature? Helium. Maximum electrons acceptable element in nature है chlorine. Next, most electronegative element in nature है fluorine. Which element is also known as fool's gold? Pyrite. Tungsten is mainly used for making filament and electron balls because it high melting point. What is the symbol of tungsten? W. Next, आज क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज आम ए रखा नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आम बाकी सब डिस्कसन करवा। थैंक यू सो मच।